Tensions escalated in the Jampui region on Monday after the YTF announced a 12-hour general strike scheduled for Tuesday. The call for the shutdown comes in response to the arrest of a promoter supporter, which the youth wing claims was based on fabricated charges. According to YTF leadership, the incident traces back to Sunday during a victory celebration held by party supporters in Jampui Jila. During the event, a promoter supporter was detained by police on allegation of involvement in the vandalism of the local BJP party office. The YTF has vehemently denied these claims, asserting that the supporter was falsely implicated to harass regional party workers. Addressing a press conference on Monday, Bijesh Deborma, president of the Takarjala Jampui Jila YTF unit, formally announced the strike.
Nong tini emergency maring mahingke sinoromia kaisa incident thanga sini bar Takarjala ni sini leader rogno khoroksa sini Jampui Jila bisini chairman borong man Ronjit tai am haike no sini joto oroni leader rogno topui case kha police prohasam ni case ngai no thangai ngai ko utu police am hanya bagi sentini nong ringmani sini khana 12 ghonta pura office tai gari gura school bebang no bondo tongnai only acceptable ambulance tai fire service amro sini unai inke sengom no koinai sini joto erenta hu tai buhu songno khana sung joto no funga siri simi no sini 12 ta ni simi no sini o 12 ghonta bondo sengjang nai
Bobo Tayoke Bodo Clay na Tripura Haste Ganagida.
Sini je Baro Takarjala, Consin Sini Jampui Jila subdivision Andara, Omen Bishon Sang, I mean Kajalis Bodo.
Tapsura side among Hatam, Bagay police rock when I took the Hanogo Tangi.
Singamole Saimia Borakano, near Sini Bill Tongani, Boni Tap Stamson air and Boni party with Bokuza, Nina, Sabo, Temroba, Rogoboka, Amno, Lino, Sini comes to Pondro Bijon and Moto Hyboroni, Nogotanga Bro, Tuikasini. Sikla rongno sini je leader songno je tongne block committee ni basin central leader rong nok thang tukha indom khoroksan khoi romit langa sini Jampui Jila bisini chairman Ronjit Deborma romit langa bro
borongno je romjak mani abang gangke FIR khaijak mani yagolo da romjak mani klaikhe
kuno FIR kuri kri for bro bhaki romtla kam sung police person semanai amon bagino sung khana o protest khaine 12 ঘন্টা botto jodi khana o bai sini kuno sinom no phyo gyang ke sung tai kotor bothanai
khana kai besok jago picketing khaijak nai
sini picketing khaijak nai pura SDM office tai video office tai yango Takarjala Ramprahati khaijak nai tai joto lama sini je Jampui Jila subdivision je hamani joto buprano amo bodda khaijak nai
tabuk sukjara je romai talang jakhanai khoroksa khana mani abuni yagolo tai khorok busuk rongni nogo obhaike naima thang bodolo bai nai tu jakmani koktum
ni horo komse kom 8-9 জন ni nok thangka tinno bor kisa saika hukuma bagi khlo gyang ni bor romti family ya am habeng ni bai okha ke taibe sung khana klai ho jaga bo nor nai di police proshashan bor exeke he khaitongo thanai 10 tarigo amri sikang koi sinoro o party office no Jampui Jila party office sini guli kok jakha kintu bo guli nangai nai hospitalization kha guli mangkha kintu tabu pointe bor omne arrest khaimia kintu bon kisi sabba Sabo borok ba bong party bis bohoka ina omno ti borok ti brama thono blame khainai romui tongo ina omo bom haidoroner police protection na nai tongo amno sung amno bagina sung khana boddo hinai tongo tai omo jodi borok asibai jodi ya khaiya hangke sini taibo soba kotor nai sung abro to khana 12 ঘন্টা bagi sung bonna khai tong
all strike no tui khana ni no tui tongko songtongai lukurok jotono rung sernai rok ni problem rok da asainya ta monor ki bakat ita mo message tongai
omo to sung to nayo amno sung ambagin nong no ringi ma saklai kya advance saklai ka sung ambagin khana hotak chaya tini ekdin sung saklai ka o tong ko song lupuro school lo ko ukuro ta fighting ni sung amoin advance ma saklai ni nong
Reported by Raju Jamatia from Jampui Jila Chini Khoran.